Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have these two equations, and the question is asking to write the net ionic equation. So to find the net ionic equation, what we have to do, first of all, we have to balance this equation. So let's see how we can balance this. So since we have two nitrate right here, I can directly put the 2. So if I put 2, this becomes 2 silver, and I put 2 right here. Now 2 silver, 2 chlorine, and everything is balanced. Right, now we have balanced equation. The next step is we have to separate the ions. So in this case, whatever the molecules that in aqueous form, that's going to be separated as ions, because in the water it's not going to be together, because since this aqueous, it's going to be traveling inside the water as aqueous, but except, oh, this is actually, yeah, except this solid right here, this solid, except this solid, everything else is going to be ions. And let's write those ions right here. So we are going to have Mg2 plus this aqueous, 2Cl minus aqueous plus 2Ag plus aqueous. Then we have NO3 minus, that's going to be 2 NO3 minus aqueous. This is this side of equation, and the other side of equation we are going to have Mg2 plus aqueous and plus 2 NO3 minus aqueous, and then we have this one. So since this is solid actually this means this is not soluble in the in the liquid or water, whatever it is. It's not soluble, so that's why it's staying in the solid form. So that's, we have to keep this one as it is. So in this case this is going to be 2 AgCl solid, right? Then we have now everything, and this is called total ionic equation. So this is called total ionic equation, but we have to write the net ionic equation. So what we have to do is we have to treat this as an equal sign and cancel, like, since this one have Mg2 plus this side and the other side, we can cancel that one. So we cancel like that, and whatever else is remaining, that's going to be the net ionic equation. So we have Mg2 plus cancelled, NO3 minus 2NO3 minus 2NO3 minus cancels, and the remaining thing is going to be the net ionic equation. So net ionic is going to be 2Cl minus aqueous plus 2Ag plus aqueous, actually bracket, right? And then we have this 2AgCl solid. Since we have 2, we can cancel all the 2's. 2 cancels, so we can write this one as Cl minus aqueous plus Ag plus aqueous, and other side we are going to have AgCl solid, and this is the net ionic. Right, now we have done the first equation, and let's find the net ionic equation for this one, second one. So H2SO4 aqueous, NaOH aqueous, H2O liquid, and Na2SO4 aqueous. Like we did in previous one, we are going to keep the H2O as it is, and we are going to separate everything else, because everything else in aqueous form, this is in liquid form. So liquid, we treat this one as we treated for solid. So that's what's going to happen, but before I go further, I have to first balance this equation. So in this case we have NOH H2, so SO4, so we have 2 hydrogen 3 hydrogen right here, so hydrogen is not balanced. So let's put 2, 2. Yeah, now it seems balanced right now because we have 1 sulfate, 1 sulfate, 2 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, sodium balanced, and everything is balanced. Now we are ready to go for the total ionic. So let's write the total ionic equation. So we are going to separate all the aqueous. So in this case we are going to have 2H plus aqueous. Then we are going to have SO4 minus aqueous. Then we are going to have 2 sodium ion aqueous. Then we are going to have 2 OH minus aqueous. And in the other side of the equation, the water is going to remain the same. So this is 2H2O liquid, and the other side, other one is going to be 2 Na plus aqueous and SO4 minus aqueous. So this is total ionic. So to find the net ionic, I had to do as I did before. I had to cancel equal things in both sides. So net ionic. So let's see what a similar thing we have. So we have 2 Na plus both sides, so we can cancel this. We have SO5 minus SO4 minus both sides, we can cancel that one. And the remaining thing is water and how H plus and OH minus. So that's going to be the net ionic equation. So the net ionic equation is 2H plus aqueous plus 2OH minus aqueous forms 2H2O liquid. We can cancel all the 2, and that's going to be H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous gives us H2O liquid, and that's the final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.